On this quick video, I will show you how I built an AI assistant for a medical company using HighLevel and Closebot. So the goal of the client here is whenever somebody filled out a form, inquired about the services, is for that lead to show up in their CRM, which is HighLevel. So here you can actually see that the lead filled out a form. It automatically shows up in HighLevel using a workflow. And at the same time, that lead receives an automatic confirmation that we've received their inquiry about weight loss. So here you can see that the lead is moved to the pre-qualify stage because now the bot is actually taking over that conversation. So hence it moved from the new lead to the pre-qualified stage. And here you can actually see that AI is conversing with the lead. I have here how the bot is actually set up from having these objectives to make sure that we collect this basic information. And at the same time, the goal is to be able to book an appointment for this lead who inquired from our website. So here it's confirming that objective, where you're located, to see what time zone we want to set this call for. And here you can see that the bot is smoothly setting up this appointment for 11:30 a.m. today, which is the earliest same day for us to talk to this lead. So here it automatically created that appointment within the calendar. It also confirmed that appointment, and here you'd notice that the lead even asked for a follow-up question. So it remained in the book stage but still answers the same question and still reminded the client that okay, we will have a call tomorrow. So, yep, all of these is created by our AI assistant for a medical company. Who wouldn't want something like this for their business, right?